struggling with problems? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is actually a live funded position, guys. Let me just show you. We're currently up 2.5% on a funded account. So this will actually be, I'll put my trade at break even. It's only a small 10k account, and if you've seen my journey where I show that I'm, passing challenges within 1 or 2 trades. Now this position here, guys, I didn't like the entry. I don't even like this entry, to be honest, that much. It's just currently up 2%. Now this was where I wonder what I wanted to enter from. The students in my one-to-one mentorship, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is, because if I would have caught the rest of this move, it would have been a full 10%, well, about 11-12% push. Excuse me. So, but yeah, currently up about 2%. We did go about up to 2.5%. Excuse me for my voice earlier. Got a bit of a sore throat. But okay, yeah. But really, as you can see, got into profit straight away. I mean, this position is not using about 5 pip stop loss. Now, obviously, I've been mentioning how I've been loving UJ. Totally trade the break and retest. Absolutely love it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm thinking of moving my TP. Because once we go to 1 to 2, normally we go TP to break even. What I'm going to do this one even, I'm not going to close the trade. I have put my now this is, I know it's a bit of an insane one, this. Put my TP at 1 to 10, even though the major move, from here by now, this as you can see here, this is a 1 to 10 from here. So this is about up to here, about 1 to 12, 1 to 15. Sorry, 1 to 12 TP. If I would have got it, but I was just super busy in the morning. Unfortunately, wasn't able to capture this. But yeah. So far, I mean, look, it's doing a little bit of a tracement, but even if I go on a smaller time frame, let's go on a smaller time frame. That's not, you go on a small time frame on C Trader. Let me just go on, just to show as well. Okay, so let's break this down, right? Let's see what we can see from here. Price is just consistently making higher highs, higher lows, right? First of all, let me just put this up proper break even, because it's not. Let's put it around here. Okay, so what do I see here? We can see resistance, and don't know why it's not letting me do this. Look at that, respected. Now this is where it gets interesting, guys, right? Even though I've come down 1.5%, it's okay. This is where your psychology gets tested. If this was to break this support level, I'll be out of the trade, right? And this is obviously where I try to take into accountability. If I just go on, let's say 15. See, okay, now after all this huge push, market's moving its way back down. But we're still in 4 minutes, the candle closes. And we are quite, looks like we're heading on the way down. Let's see on the 1 hour how it looks like. 1 hour, we still got 3 minutes for the candle to close. Now, what this tells me, buyers are starting to lose volume. But the thing is as well, guys, do I want to fight this huge bullish momentum? There's a rejection here. This is psychology again. I've got the same position running on one of my other funded accounts, on the bigger ones. This I just show to you guys is that, the psychology, is to also how the break and retest. Look at this. How crazy is that? We were down to like 90 summit, $90. Now just pushing back up to 180. Why? Because, okay, nearly almost back at 2%, but look, 3 minutes left for this candle to close, the 1 hour one. Major candles, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. And it might just skyrocket up. This is where they try to get you guys. This is where the psychology has to come back in. We're back at 220. How insane is that? Do you remember where we came back to before? Let's go on a bigger time frame. Let's see. on the bigger time frame. What was it showing, guys? What was it showing? I'm not saying, by the way, I want a 1 to 10, right? I've just put it here because UJ, it's got so much volume, it can just jolt insane. Like, I'm not saying he'll just jump from here all the way to the middle, no. But it's like, I just, normally sometimes, you know, recently, I've even started to remove my stop loss. Sorry, stop loss. I've started to remove my TP. But because we're bullish all day, a lot of volume, a lot of momentum backing this. So let's just zoom out and let's see, do we have any obstacles that we could face from the past? So price is currently here, guys. Oh no, so apologies. Price is currently here. So do we have any range to fill, or do we have any, you know? So what I think, let's say, what's this level here? This would give me 6% profit. This is a Malaysia style support resistance, and I am looking at this area here. Now we're just up to 280 now, 2.8. My bigger account is running nicely as well. So now this would be my next, and this is on the 4-hour time frame I'm looking at. But I think price could push up to here. So it'll be interesting. I mean, we are at the end of the day as well, about 4 p.m. UK time. So I'm thinking of closing this trade a little bit as well. I mean, you know, but I think that volume is starting to kick in again. I think it was resting for a short while. So see the resistance here. Okay, now we're about 3%. This is live, guys, and I'm going to be showing you as well funding pips. I'll be going to my dashboard so you can see that it's clearly a, you know, I think we can get this to 600 mark, guys. It's about keeping you cool. Should we just call it a 3% profit, right? I mean, on my bigger account, I know what it's at right now, so I don't mind closing this right now at 3% profit. So I think we can fill this, but the only thing is, I don't want to wait that long. Do you know why? Because we are at the later end of the day. Yeah, see, it's starting to come back down a little. But I can see the volume. Do you know when it comes down and then it starts spiking back up straight away? Volume is with the buyers, right? The buying, see, it's just come up to 315 straight away again. So buyers just like kicking the sellers, like, yeah, you know, like move out of the way. We've got full authority, full control. 320 now. It'll be interesting. I mean, you can see, right? Okay, we're at 330. This is nicely. Okay. I think, guys, it might be time for, okay, see, we're just back at 330 again. This is what I like to see, guys. Huge, a lot of, you know, let me push this a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't want to, because my entry, could you imagine if I would have just entered from here? I've just been kicking myself. I've just, you know, it is what it is. I think I'm going to call it, guys. I'm more than happy with this on my bigger account. Merry Christmas to you all. I think I might continue going, but it's all about not getting greedy. Okay, I've just seen 342. Could push to maybe that 4% as well. So what I'm going to do, guys, actually, what we'll do is, you can see clearly, let's put this up, let's trail this 240, right? Let's see, 320. Okay, you've seen buyers gain there, you know, gain a 40. This might just spike up. I'm liking this 336. Just want a bit jolt a bit or more. I think we just need a bit of a resistance. Might call this, guys. It's all good. We're up 2%. Yeah, nicely done. This could pretty much continue going further higher. But it's all good, you know. Why? Because if you look at this position even, guys, this is just to show you guys. I'll be showing this payout as well, unless I place another trade tomorrow. But the whole point of this was, guys, you know, is to show that I've shown where I've been passing phase 1s, phase 2s, and then obviously a little small tiny payout as well. Securing a payout as well. And let me just show you that this actually is on a funded account. Just one moment. Okay, so let me just take you over to funding pips. So you can see over here, guys, obviously if you are a funded trader with funding pips, you'll know this one means funded. This account actually was handed over. I got my login details actually today. Not login details with CTrader, but like obviously because already all linked. But I was able to start with it today. It can even say start period 26 December. You can see here as well, 26th December is the date. This is December start. So on the first day, guys, we already up 2.5%. I actually would have been around 11%. But unfortunately, it's just one of those things. I know right now, it's just needs to load. But equity is showing at 277. I've closed the position, as you guys can clearly see from here. My balance is at 228. So across all, I didn't trade this on my personal account today, this position. I traded it on my other, much bigger platform account. So it's all good. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Can't argue. And this is the whole point again, guys, just to show you that you can start small. Now this 220, so let's just work it out, right? Let's just work it out. We go over to by the way, if any of you guys are wondering what this is just my back tested data showing on an Excel. So anyways, okay, coming back to the point. So basically, 2.5%, a little over 2.5%. So what does that now? What can we do with that? So let's just say 20% goes to commissions. So let's just say we walk away with about $200, right? $200. That's pretty much enough, guys. I mean, these guys, I think they got like a 15% discount going on. It's probably enough for me to get a 25k account, maybe even a 50k account if I want. If you were starting from the bottom and you had no money whatsoever, and then you just do this rinse and repeat. Or I can just come back tomorrow, add another position, and then maybe take this 2% profit, 2.5% profit to maybe 5% profit, 10% profit. It's just gonna be basically the name of the game, guys. That's what it's all about. But yeah, I thought I'll just show you something that's live. Let me just refresh this one more time. Maybe it gets updated now. Let's see, because so far right now, it's gonna show my win percentage as 50%. Should be really 100. Obviously, it's my own fault. There we go. We are updated, guys. We are on a funded small little 10k account, and that's what's been the core message of even in my Discord community where I offer one-to-one unlimited. Look at this, guys. Multiple that's what funding pips. This is with FTMO. Passing multiple challenges. I have one with Alpha Capital. A few actually. I have some with funded next. I have some with it just goes on. So the whole point of this is, guys, is start small, get your withdrawals, get your payouts, and this is student success. You can see how many certificates, not just mine, right? Not just mine, guys. And that's what it's all about. You got to be able to how can I say, have that psychology to start small, not get greedy, work your way one at a time, one step at a time. Okay, I don't know why this is not updated, but it's all good. But this looks, look, smallest loss $10, biggest win 240. But obviously, I know I've already clearly mentioned why that was a -10. I didn't like the entry position. But yeah, I just thought I'd show a live position on a live funded account is running in profit. Yeah, not the biggest, obviously. No, not the biggest payout or anything. I only trade these small little 10k accounts, guys. I want to make this very clear. I only do this, and the students in the mentorship are aware of this. I've made many videos on my YouTube channel, more than 350 videos that are out there, where I've passed 50k accounts, 100k accounts, 200k accounts, and I even show, obviously, where I trade multiple 10k accounts. The emphasis on start small, start small, start small. I hope 2025 brings, lots of blessings to you guys, to you and to your families. And I hope you had a great Christmas, and I wish you nothing but the best. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for supporting us always. We're up to about, above 2.5k subscribers, more than 1,000 Discord members. Never thought I'll ever get to. I'm really excited for the new year. Yeah, take care, and I'm out.